Hey everyone, I am back with my garden. This is the Click and Grow. As you can see, everything is getting huge, and the Asian salad greens and stir-fry mix is definitely getting just absolutely huge. That's one of them right there. And these are my strawberries. I don't have any strawberries yet or flowers. It's my tomatoes. And let's see. That's another one of the stir-fry greens that we planted. And that is the other one. That's my basil that's not doing very good. And my last tomato, I think my garage is too cold because my tomatoes aren't as many flowers as they have. There aren't any tomatoes yet. So, I mean, even the ones that have opened, it's not growing. So, I thought about putting a heating pad underneath of it. I'm not sure yet. Just have to see what happens. And this one, that pod right there, what happened was something sprouted, but then it died. So I just put in that the pea seed just now, and I'm going to see if that will grow. I'll put a little dome on it. There it goes. Put that little dome on there. And this is let's see, they're miniature, as you can see, miniature peas. They don't get any bigger than that. I think they're called Tom Thumb. But they're specifically designed for like little pots. So I thought they would do great. I did grow some of these outside last year, and they did pretty good. I only got maybe like 2 or 3 pea pods per plant, which is it doesn't sound like very much compared to like a standard variety. But these are specifically for this sort of thing, or if you just have like a small container garden on your patio, they're perfect for that. So I'm going to try it, see if it'll work. They are the smallest variety that I've ever seen. But that is just about it. I'm going to water this. And just wanted to let you guys see how it's doing. As you can see, everything is doing great that we planted last time. One last quick look. You have a great one.